Hi Dooneynistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video guys is going to be video number 3 of the Dooneynistas Pick My Unboxing. So very long story short, I had about 5 unboxings that I needed to do, and so I just did a poll in the Dooneyista Den, my Facebook group, and asked the Dooneynistas which order I should open the boxes in. So unboxings number 1 and 2 have already been unboxed, and if you have not checked out those videos, I will leave a link below in the description box so you can see what was in those boxes. And so the next box that the Dooneynistas chose was box number 4. Box number 5 and 3 were already unboxed, and so this would be box number 4. So let's get to it. Hey guys, so this is box number 4, and this is a pre-loved item. I can tell by the packaging here on the top, and I can also tell obviously because of the label. So this was purchased probably about a month and a half ago, and I hope and pray that it is okay, because if you know anything about Poshmark or Mercari, those sites don't pay the seller until the buyer checks the item out and says that everything is okay. So this item was actually checked off as okay before the unboxing, obviously. So guys, crossing my fingers, this is a pre-owned item, practically new condition as it was advertised. And this is actually an item that I already have in my collection, but I love that style of bag so much, and I had always been looking for this color, but I always missed out on it. I did pick up a couple of the fashion colors in this particular style, but I wanted something that was a little bit more neutral. So let's see guys. And again, I am very excited to be able to add this particular color to my collection. And at the end of the video, I will share with you a couple of the other colors that I own. So let's see guys. All right, so again, this is a pre-owned item, and I'm assuming that she is a Dooneyista because it was sent in a Dooney and Bourke box. So here is how it's packaged. Very nice and protected. So let's see. Okay, looking good so far. And here is how she's packed. So let's see guys. All right, so here she is. She has it packed in this nice little wrapping here. Here's how the back looks. Or you know what? This may have been new with tags. I'm not sure. I know a lot of times the seller may not advertise it as new with tags, but if they have the tags, some sellers do just put it on. So let's see. I will say the packaging is very nice, and I'm not a huge stickler for packaging as long as the bag is okay. So, but this was a little extra. All right, guys, she wrapped the strap. And here she is, guys. And you know what? She is a Dooneyista. She is a Dooneyista, and I can tell you why. Because of these little straps here. In my Facebook group, the Dooneyista Den, we discovered these little makeup brush holders probably about 3 years ago. So we all went crazy for them, and so I know this person is a Dooneyista, which is absolutely perfect. So guys, this bag is I'm gonna say new, guys. And like I said, I can't remember. It was actually purchased by a friend who knew that I had been looking for this color. So they purchased it for me and had it, and just held it at their house. So I had to go pick it up, and then I just kind of let it sit for about a month or so, just so I can unbox it with you guys. But as you can see, guys, this bag is absolutely perfect. The corners are perfect, and the bags always come folded, but she did stuff it, which I greatly appreciate. But as you can see, guys, this is perfect, and this color is absolutely what I have been looking for. Let's check out the strap here, guys. Very, very nice. Very nice condition. I can tell that it had not been carried much because the strap still has some stiff to it. Wow, absolutely beautiful. So now let's check out the inside. So if I didn't mention, this is the Dooney Bourke McKenzie Hobo, and this is in the color taupe. Oh guys, this is going to be perfect. Look at the inside, guys. Look how it was all nice and stuffed. This was actually a good catch by my friend because they know that I had been looking for this color and wanting this color. I had seen a couple online, but the condition of the bag wasn't up to my standards. So whenever they saw this one, they snagged it for me, and I couldn't get to their house quick enough to pick it up. So let's just see. They have some bubble wrap, some more stuffing. They also still have the little keychain. Also the little accessory. I totally forgot that these bags come with this little accessory. So the inside looks very clean, as you can see. I have to have my friend look at the initial ad and see if it was new with tags or not. But it still does have the tags and the sticker here at the bottom. So very nice and clean. No smells. Oh guys, I am excited. And this is a slouchy bag, guys. The McKenzie is a slouchy bag. So let's just check out the little piece here. Absolutely nice and clean. Look at that, guys. Very nice and clean. So here we go, guys. The McKenzie Hobo in the color taupe. Absolutely beautiful. I am so happy that I have a second set of eyes out there on the market for bags that I am looking for. So I am absolutely grateful. So let me just share with you really quick the other bags that I have in this particular style. Okay guys, so one of the other bags that I own in this particular style is in the color Jade. Same bag, this one is just stuffed a little bit more. But as you can see, this is in the beautiful color of Jade. I actually carried this Hobo a couple of weeks ago with a brown and tan type outfit, and though it is not spring or summer, it was a beautiful pop. So here is the Jade, and the other color that I own in this collection is the purple. Okay guys, so just a very quick mod shot. Here is how she looks if you just wanted to carry her on the crook of the arm. She fits on the shoulder very nicely, and for me, she passes the elbow test. She has lots and lots of room here, drop room, and the drop is going to depend on how much you have stuffed inside of her. She's fairly stuffed right now with the stuffing. So let me just take some of the stuffing out just so you can get a full picture of how the McKenzie will fit against the body. Guys, I am loving this color. Absolutely loving the color. So here she is, completely empty. And it didn't give me much more strap drop, which is okay. Still very nice and comfortable, not very bulky. It fits nicely on the shoulder here, especially with this nicer equestrian type strap. Absolutely love it. And guys, these bags, in my opinion, these colors are just so versatile. I think you can pull off any of these colors with any outfit. I mean, even like the purple, I think it would go great with what I'm wearing here. Maybe some shoes, this color, to kind of pull it all together. And obviously you can pull off the jade. And here is the jade with this outfit. Again, I think if you put on some saddle type shoes to match the trim, I think you could easily pull off any of these colors. I hope these mod shots helped. Just in case you were deciding if you wanted to add McKenzie to your collection, I will say it is an absolute joy to carry, very carefree, doesn't have much of the leather where you have to worry about water stains or anything like that. So absolutely perfect, guys. So anyway, guys, I hope these mod shots helped. I don't think that the McKenzie is still able to be purchased like at the outlets or on Dooneybourke.com, but I do see them pop up fairly often on the second-hand market, and most of the time they are priced very reasonable. So anyway, I hoped the mod shots helped. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.